Welcome. In a previous video I took apart this Ryobi fan to find out why the motor was making noise, and I couldn't figure out what was wrong, and I unsoldered it and tried to take the motor apart, couldn't get it apart, and I posted that, and then I got a comment that mentioned lubricating a motor, so I thought, heck, why not? So I took some of this, it's a Trinity Royal Oil, lightweight oil for RC cars, and I'll put a link in the description, some similar oil to this. They don't sell this one online, or you could go to like a local hobby shop that sells RC stuff and they sell this, or you could probably get this at a home center too. So I took this oil and I put it down here on both sides. Let's get to the other side. And I put it here and I ran the motor and let it soak in. Then I wiped up any excess. And now you can hear the noise is gone. So I'll put the blade back on. So here's with the blade on. That's on low. And that's on high. The clicking noise is gone. So it seemed to fix the problem. So yesterday I took a 4 amp hour battery and hooked it up here and let it run till the battery died. And it ran, I don't know, I think I started at something like 9 o'clock in the morning. It ran till 9 at night. And it actually didn't finish, and then I ran a little more this morning until it died. So it ran well over 12 hours on the low speed. So I think I fixed it. So I still have to put this back on, and I have these screws. If you saw the other video, you remember these were kind of corroded. So I have to clean these up and put them back. You know, I'd get a replacement for these screws if I could find them easily, but I'll probably just end up using these again. So that's the Ryobi fan repair. It's working again. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.